ask War Dog now if he want me and him the for real heroes.
So World Dog, you want you and her there for real. This son of cut the fuckery on life and real life.
With Brit, I'll give me 6 months. Give me 6 weeks with Brit. The whole on no mad over Brit. Just give me 6 weeks with Brit. Whole on no mad back over Brit. Yes, me want Brit.
That boy, wow.
So War Dog, that mean you're gonna break things off with the girl you have sex 2 weeks ago. You're gonna break things off and start out with me only.
Remember, you're gonna break things off with Gold Girl where you cost me off this morning. I said Gold Girl give you 150,000. I never give you 1 red cent yet. Remember that you cuss me off this morning on the phone and say, and you tell people say me and talk off here. So me and you talk off here and you not tell the people them that. You go like a you blink and a blood clot loan and talk off here. You don't have my number for real. You have my number but me don't have your number for real, but me and you talk off blood clot here. We not probably talk about no sex or no relationship, but me guide me and you guide me. You tell me if it's safe, you tell me when you go out, and the people them know, so you not tell Lincoln that.
She tell me them something there. But guess what? I the same way me and her not talk about no sex and them something there. So me no know
But
how it
Lincoln, she
would
said she watch you sleep.
Yeah, we both sleep on the phone, you remember Lincoln?
Whoa!
Yes, I remember.
Oh my God. Whoa!
So why you tell War Dog that you never with me then?
Whoa! Whoa! Yo, Lincoln. Yo. Whoa! Oh, fuck.